television. There is, I'm showing somebody. There's a picture of me.
There it is. Jamaican style oxtails, rice and peas, and a little bit of cabbage. And I gotta taste it. You're not gonna need a knife. Let me see here. Look how tender that is. Ooh. Gotta get me a little bit of gravy. Let me not drool in front of the people here. Wait a doggone minute. I swear, I might have been born in Jamaica in another life. You can't tell me that this is not delicious. The recipe is in the description. Comment below when you make this. Let me know how it turned out for you. This is gonna transport you to the Caribbean, to the islands, with the Caribbean painkiller, Jamaican style oxtails with rice and peas and cabbage. Go get into it.